Oh, hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you the second part of the video how to install the Powerline for your terminal. This time I'm gonna use Linux Mint, which is part of the Ubuntu edition. Although there's so many guides on the internet how to do that, I found one that for me at least it's easier, and today I'm gonna show you this one. So let's get started. Okay, as usual, before we start installing new stuff, I recommend just update your system and upgrade it with the following commands that, again, I'll make sure I leave everything I use in this video in the description down below, so don't worry about copying and pasting. That's gonna be much easier for you. So let's update and upgrade our system first. And there shouldn't be any updates. Yes, there isn't. So I prepared a little cheat sheet that I'm gonna use today, and the easiest way I found to install and use Powerline for your terminal is just adding the universe repository for Ubuntu, which is made pretty easy. Again, I'm gonna leave everything I use in this video as a commands on the description, so don't worry about it. Just copy and paste everything. Let's install it. It shouldn't take much time. Okay, it's already installed. Now it's the little bit tricky part. You should go to your bashrc file. If you don't know where this is located, go to your home folder, right click for show hidden files, or you can also do it with the control and plus H key, and it's gonna show all of your config files. Now look for the bashrc, which is this one, right click on it. Come on. Oh, come on, it's a little slow. Okay, right click on it and choose the text editor of your choice. This is just a VM. I haven't installed anything, so I just gonna use the plain text editor that is already installed. I believe it's Z or something. Doesn't matter. Okay. And all you have to do is just go to the bottom of the file, copy everything. Oh, come on. Copy everything here and paste it there. Save it. And you can close the file now. Now, everything you need to do right now is just add it to your bashrc sources like that. Just paste it. Not like that, of course, like that. And as you can see, we already have the Powerline on our terminal. Oops, come on. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Let's clear the screen. Let's install NeoFetch, let's say. Let's run it. All right. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy, nothing complicated again. So if you're curious how to do it, that's how you do it. So that's all for me for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.